be like a quick shot thing on this, but we're gonna come back after I'm done clay barring. This sucks. It's a little better. Woohoo! Clean and ceramic coat at the same time. Yeah. Nice. I don't think I've washed this since like before winter. Before snow and shit.
Was it Big Northwest?
I think the last time I really cleaned it was Big Northwest.
And that was kind of half-assed rushing.
Yeah. I'm really in the air. I'm probably going to install this today, but...
Do it, just do it.
Yeah?
You can always take it off.
Yeah. So it's a... Cobb makes a rear wiper delete. Which, honestly, if I keep it ceramic coated, keep it all hydrophobic like, should be fine. Yeah, so you get this guy off there, and that just plugs that. So I'll probably throw that on real quick. And then just make sure everything is all ceramic coated and good.
Help me with this! This thing's fucking heavy.
Is it?
I don't think people understand how heavy this thing actually is.
That's a big boy.
This thing's heavy as fuck.
That's a beautiful big boy.
You've held this thing. You know this thing's heavy. Oh, dude, now we can fucking look. Hold on, what's the name on the bottom of this?
SFR.
It just says SFR, that's it?
I don't know if that is Speed Factory Racing. It's, I mean, dude, that is written like Speed Factory.
It is. That looks like, I
So I think
it's a Speed Factory
that is a
core.
Speed Factory core.
I'm a Honda boy, just trying to race it.
Oh, I'm a Honda boy.
Take the fat side.
Can I put some stuff down or?
No!
Okay, I'm doing this holding a camera.
Okay, no, don't do it holding the
No,
camera.
it's fine. No, it's
You're
fine.
either gonna drop the camera or
No,
drop the
it's
intercooler.
fine, I'll
Both
do
of
it.
these cost nearly the same.
I'll do it.
No, actually that costs a lot more. Set down your camera.
Okay.
Wait, is it just recording right now? Oh no, people are gonna know what music I listen to. Don't listen to my Imagine Dragons! Leave my Imagine Dragons! I feel like this is a little sketch cutting off a little bit of a
I feel like it's very hard to level a monopod.
monopods are scary.
Yeah, they are.
It's like a tripod but with tiny feet.
Yeah. Yeah, honestly, I don't know if I'll do an intro before this or anything, but
Oh god,
I'm waiting on parts.
Saturday, dude, that's the story.
Saturday!
We're always waiting on parts.
Yeah. Tanner talked me into ordering about $4,000 worth of parts for Mittens, so
I'm really good at that.
he is very good at that.
Oh my god, I grabbed the wrong size socket. You're gonna have to hold that. Why the fuck did I grab
Probably see that on Saturday. I have to hold what?
Just hold the intercooler.
Oh, I already typed them on.
How? You don't have a socket.
You're fantastic, dude. I work quick. You catch these hands.
I have to make brackets for the bottom of this so Kyle can weld them on.
God.
I would try, but it's aluminum, and I burn through all aluminum.
Aluminum.
I burn through all aluminum that I weld.
Aluminum. You mean aluminum?
Because that's all it's gonna do when driving.
I mean, it'll have things back here to hold it.
Yeah, but see, if you look right down here.
I'm not saying not to put extra ones on.
Dude, there's literally already threaded holes here.
Yeah,
for it.
I would do that. I thought it was going to have like an L bracket to this.
I thought it was gonna have more support.
So everything.
Just
Where's my support? Give me some support. No, yeah, make brackets.
I'm about to make brackets. Because that's not okay. Okay, alright, you're good. You're good. I'm cutting you off. You're cut off.
You ever seen like the pan drums?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, see,
Make a video playing the pan drums on this bad boy. You guys ever seen a dong that big?
A dong?
You ever seen a dongle pipe that big?
Don't talk about my dong like that.
There's a big old dongle pipe on there.
Don't talk about my dong like that.
That's some fat boy shit. Where does rock chip come from? How many windshields can I go through in a year?
Good question, Matt.
I'm doing a lot better not taking the freeway to work anymore.
With the windshield damage?
Yeah. Because I always get behind rock trucks on the freeway and then it's like, guess what, you fucked. Give it a good day? Not anymore.
Not no more!
Not no more. Rock truck's gonna come through and ruin your day. I need to get some new bolts for this front plate delete. All nasty. And I need some new fog light bulbs that don't suck.
You need some new ones.
Fog light bulbs.
Oh my god, I set it down again! I don't know where I put it!
The life of a mechanic.
Dude, I fucking hate it! Like, tether it to me or something.
That can be arranged.
That's a fucking $1 million idea right there. Tool tether.
All of your tools are just suction cupped to your head.
You have to wear a bracelet, and in order to change tools, you gotta take them off the bracelet.
Yep.
Dude, I legit have no idea where the fuck I put this. You know why? People always ask, Tanner, why do your builds take so long? You know why? Because I can't find my fucking tools.
Watch, it's gonna rain right after this.
Don't say that. I go to Speed Factory tomorrow.
Go to Speed Factory?
Yeah, so I can buy turbo stuff.
Sure.
These ones are not good.
I am down for whatever. Some people really like to get rid of the rear wiper blade. Personally, I use mine a lot. I didn't really see the point in getting this. Little cob. Let me see if I can show this a little better.
See the point in getting.
Yeah, I got talked into getting a rear wiper delete, so I'm gonna have to keep this thing ceramic coated so I don't ever have to get upset at the fact that I don't have one again. But we're gonna put that on there.
Is your reason to keep car clean?
And this gives us something to do while we're waiting for a whole bunch of parts to come in for this little turd.
A whole bunch?
Because Tanner may have talked me into getting...
I didn't do shit.
Tanner may have provided me with a special little surprise you guys will see in probably the next or thereafter video. That then influenced me into having to get several other parts for this car.
Don't say I did it.
Well, you didn't do it, but in getting me a nice little present, I then had to go purchase a few different things to make that little present work on this guy. So you guys are going to see that here soon in one of the next videos, but for now, I'm going to delete my rear wiper blade and be one of those guys. Before I do anything, since this is gonna fall out the back, I should probably take this off. Come on. Come on. Come on. You can do it. There you go. For educational purposes, this is what the kit comes with. You get the little delete piece. You'll actually see from the outside, it says Cobb on it. This little O-ring, which fits on the back of that. This is going to be the back plate that just kind of tightens on, and you get these two little, you get these two little rubber pieces that go in this. Then they give you 3 different little O-rings. So you just use whichever one fits the circle in there to take up the room in between it best. So figured I'd show you guys that before I put it together so you could actually see what's going on. Not to hit the camera. Ooh, where's the hole? Where's the hole? You stay. Stay! Okay. You guys get it, right? This isn't rocket science. You get it, right? I'm gonna stop filming this. Cool.
All right.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know if this is ever. I've never really. I don't know.
You don't sound perfect, man.
I just. I mean, yeah, it's like looks cleaner. I mean, let me take a step back here and. Does it look cleaner? I mean, sure. I suppose it does. But I've never really seen the. I don't know.
I like it.
Yeah, I mean it looks good.
What do you mean it just looks good? It looks great.
It looks good. It's just kind of weird. Maybe it's just weird that I'm used to seeing a wiper there.
Now you don't see a wiper there, so.
But I know a lot of people don't like having the rear wiper on, and it is cleaner, so. Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah. If that's your flavor, then go ahead and get it. It's maybe a 10-minute install if you take a smoke break in between. And yeah, it doesn't look bad. I wish I had more light right here so I could see it better. But it's easier to clean the window. Positives. Less stuff back there. You can't get it ripped off through a car wash. And what other positives we got here?
It's easier to clean.
You can wire up your back window wiper to power something else.
You can take the windows for the factor, turn it around, pee on cars.
You can pee on cars. Yeah, you can do. Your world just opened up so many possibilities by deleting your rear wiper.
That's actually true.
It does look good to focus on it. I mean, you know, it's not bad looking. I mean, it's a clean part. It's a clean part. It looks good. It's a tiny little circular thing
Just don't sound sold
that says
on
cop.
it.
I don't know. I use my rear wiper a lot.
Then put it back on.
I got that car for a rear wiper. We're good. We're doing
Oh, you're sold on it.
doing bigger things, man. I'm sold on it, Tanner. It looks good, man. Now I'm warming up to it. Sick. What am I gonna use this thing to power?
10 minutes later, I got to take it off.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it back on after this video and not tell you guys.
We post one photo. We're like, what the fuck?
Heck yeah, what you think, boy? What you think of that? I don't know. Everybody else said get it.
To be honest, I kind of like it with the wiper more.
Do you?
Yeah, to be honest, I do kind of like it with the wiper more.
I think my issue with this is now that I'm looking. Stop! You're making me. My issue is now exactly where my eyes go when I'm looking at the back of this car. I go the Subaru emblem, and then I go that circular emblem, and it's like they're competing with each other.
I'm not sold on it.
No?
No.
You don't like it?
Now you got me second guessing if I want to delete the Evo's rear wiper.
See, I think you should delete the Evo's rear wiper because I feel like it's weird for a sedan to have a rear wiper.
You take that back.
It's weird for a
That's
sedan to have a
rude.
rear wiper.
Why?
Because it's weird for a sedan to have a rear wiper.
In Japan, they have rear wipers.
I don't care. We're not in Japan.
We could be.
We don't get tsunamis.
This is the Matrix.
What else looks really weird about this is the fact that I have a wiper mark on my window that you're not going to be able to see. Oh, you can kind of see it. It's like right there. Whoop. So it's like, where'd that come from? I don't know. It looks good. I like it. I'll warm up to it. It's not that big of a deal. I just Rain-X'd the whole rear window and kind of polished up the rest of it. So I'm happy with it. Whatever. But like I was saying before, we've got a lot of parts coming for Mittens.
What do you got?
I can't tell you. You're gonna see.
I've already told people what turbo.
Yeah, but nobody watches my channel that watches yours except for everyone.
There's a turbo coming for that car.
Shh. 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 Okay, yeah. Damn it!
I have to. If you want a turbo, that's how I gotta do it.
You ruined it. Ruined it!
What about your? They don't know what the supporting mods are. I haven't said anything about
Tanner may or may not have somehow managed to get us a turbo for Mittens. In his good graces. In his kindness. You gotta, okay, cat's out of the bag. You got us a turbo coming for Mittens.
It's bigger than Chewie's turbo.
It might be bigger.
No, it is bigger.
No, it is. Yeah.
It is bigger.
We might have gotten a turbo coming for Mittens. We did.
Equivalent of an FD Black.
Stop!
I'm telling you, not the camera.
Stop!
I'm telling you. Cut that part out.
Stop! Cat's out of the bag. We got a turbo coming for Mittens. So this was just kind of a little filler thing. I had a part laying around. But I have a lot of parts coming as well because since we have a much larger turbo going on this, and the original plan for this was to essentially get it up and running and just have Mittens be a working daily so we can work on Chewie again. But that's obviously changing, so I had to get other parts to be able to run that turbo. So we have those coming and they should be here on Saturday.
You'll have Josh tune it.
We should have Josh tune it.
Josh tune it, straight tune it.
Yeah, we'll have Josh tune it. So yeah, so we got some stuff coming on Saturday. I will upload that in the next video. Or actually I may have one right before that because I have tomorrow off too. I just have some stuff to clean this up. So I might have a video just doing little piddly things, kind of like this video, just to be able to have everything else working out. So when those parts come in, we can get working on it right away.
They're good practice videos too.
This is true. But anyways, for now, that is all I have for you today. Be sure to do whatever you do. I'm not going to tell you, but if you do it, I'd appreciate it. And then I will see you guys hopefully in a couple of days with another video on those parts that are coming and then kind of a generalized update of things. So have fun, be safe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay, say bye.